वो वहाँ कैप्चर करने वहाँ.
You are also a vlogger.
You're not even looking at what the camera is pointed at. You're just holding it up like this.
वो जो अंकल करते हैं ट्रेन में लड़ाई हो जाती है. You sorry, no you sorry. Good morning and welcome back. This is day 3 in Porto. We've just woken up. How did you guys sleep?
Slept really well.
Really well?
Yes, completely crashed. But what an
Lagi to nahi?
rested.
You crashed.
That's the second time, guys, that he is making this joke.
But
Behind
all
the
of us
scenes
are
for you,
really
all of you.
feeling really fresh. And welcome Tanvi and Satyam to Porto.
Hello guys, hello my cute little red flag.
उबर करनी है क्या?
ऊपर करनी है क्या?
उबर करनी है क्या? मैं आ रहा हूँ.
Travel agent is here.
So कल सत्यम तन्वी बहुत late आए. They had no energy to join us for dinner. But तो अब वो आज सुबह हमसे पहली बार मिले हैं. And हम just अभी उठे हैं and सबको बहुत भूख लग रही थी. So we just decided कि quickly कहीं आसपास जा. मेरे को भी नहीं लगी वैसे. मेरे को भी नहीं लगी. मैं सबके लिए बोल रहा हूँ. So you have to when you're traveling in a group you can't take individual.
मैं
calls.
अपनी
You have to do as per
individualism
group.
को खोऊंगा नहीं.
As per group. तो मत जाओ फिर.
I have an identity, I
मत
will
जाओ
not
फिर.
lose it.
मेरा
मेरा मन होगा मैं जा रहा हूँ. कंपनी देने जा रहा हूँ पर Abhinav, what do you have to say about your sunglasses today? They look
Oh,
very
so this
odd.
is so
They look
Gucci.
very odd.
Gucci has actually designed this for my trip. They
Okay.
say Gucci recently designed a new sari for Alia Bhatt. So they messaged me that would you want something for your trip? It's not. This is actually a very advanced wayfarers they call it.
Okay.
So they've specially made this for me. This is only they've made 2 in the world. One for
Wafer?
Wafers, huh?
Oh,
So
okay.
they've made only 2. This is the first one. The second one I think they've given it to Tom Cruise.
Okay, okay.
So the second one they've given it to me. They say कि जा रहे हो तो टेस्ट वेस्ट करके आओ कैसा लग रहा है.
I'm betting Tom Cruise is looking much better in this.
मतलब ठीक है सबकी अपनी अपनी वो है but
Purva, what do you have to say about Abhinav sunglasses?
these are
or
only
whatever
2 in
they
the
are.
world. एक टॉम क्रूज को मिले और एक मेरे को मिले.
Tom Cruise ने अपना वापस
Gucci has
कर दिया.
designed this. जैसे Gucci ने क्या?
मेरे को तो काफी cool लग रहा है.
Thanks. Thanks.
That's what a marriage is.
I think Pallavi got it for him.
No, he got it. Yes. वो वहाँ कैप्चर करने वहाँ.
You are also a vlogger.
You're not even looking at what the camera is pointed at. You're just holding it up like this.
वो जो अंकल करते हैं ट्रेन में लड़ाई हो जाती है.
You sorry, no you sorry.
So we've reached the breakfast place. It was a 10-minute car drive. अच्छा है हम गाड़ी से आए चल के नहीं आए. And this city looks so beautiful यार. Open old charm है. उधर are old buildings. Pallavi, you're looking very nice.
तन्वी की जैकेट है.
How are you feeling today?
Much better.
Are you excited for day 3?
Yes.
Let's go. There are 2 types of people on a trip. The one who just wait outside of the restaurant, get inside, and then eat whatever is on the table. And the other ones who go through the entire menu and see what has to be ordered. We just got done with breakfast and बहुत ही अच्छा खाना था. Now all of us are on our phones researching about the city and planning the itinerary of what to do. Most likely we are doing the boat tour today, which will be for 2 hours. It will go under 6 bridges and it will have local wine tasting and some snacks. That's we're getting a slot at 2:30, 4:30 or 7:30. So I think 2:30 वाला करेंगे because the weather will be pleasant. धूप होगी and हवा ठंडी होगी. So that's the plan.
So why does most of Europe have cobbled streets? It was built way back by Roman Empire when there was no asphalt, when you could not lay down the roads that we see nowadays. And these cobbled streets, they don't take a lot of maintenance. That's why, plus there's historic reason to keeping it. That's why they preserve it.
We're going to their H&M and Zara because यहाँ पे सबको ठंड लग रही है काफ़ी and everybody just has one jacket. सब लोग सिर्फ एक जैकेट लाए थे just for safety
And
reasons.
please tell our very loyal viewers who were with us last time also that we do this to ourselves every year. When Pallavi was a child. Okay, Pallavi was like 18 years old, and so somebody.
Just a baby, no?
Just a baby. I'm just a baby. So she basically, we were staying with somebody, ठीक है, किसी का friend थे, some family had arranged it for us. And so the guy, the husband and wife that we were staying with, they are like professors of philosophy and all of those things.
In
ठीक है? And they wanted to help us out, so they're asking us कि जी अच्छा where do you guys want to go? So they thought we'll talk about historical places and all of that. Arc de Triomphe, ये करना है वो करना है. Pallavi's like I want to go to H&M.
तू तब H&M इंडिया में था नहीं. तब था नहीं H&M इंडिया में.
Shopping.
इससे हमें दूर उतार दिया इतना
You know, quick shopping, so that we don't waste time.
यहाँ पे फोन कवर मिलेगा, यहाँ पे चिपकू मिलेगा. है चिपकू इनके पास.
चिपकू के लिए इतना excited?
This one.
ले लो. अभी I went to the original Portugal jersey store. I wanted to buy one for Kunal, but the original jersey was for 17,000 rupees. That's too much. So वो तो नहीं ली. I'll see if I can find something from the local market. Hi Tanvi. Say, only fools rush in, but I can't falling in love with you. इनकी पल्लवी इसलिए खुश हो रही है बिकॉज इसको चिपकू मिल गया. एंड बाय द वे घर पे हमने 10 चिपकू मंगवाए थे. जब हम इससे पहले वहाँ गए थे, अलमाटी गए थे, वी बॉट इट फॉर एवरीबडी, बट वो यूज़ नहीं किसी ने नहीं किया और घर आके कहीं रख दिया. वो पता नहीं कहाँ रखा है. ब्रेकफास्ट करने निकले थे बट हमें 2 घंटे हो गए. हम खाना खा के चले जा रहे हैं इनकी स्ट्रीट्स पे. देन वी एंडेड अप हियर एट द शॉपिंग एरिया. नाउ वी आर गोइंग बैक होम. वी बुक द 2:30 रिवर क्रूज. वो बहुत क्रेजी होने वाला है. एंड आई आस्क्ड एवरीबडी टू वेयर द सेम कलर, ताकि वो एक क्रूज पे जाके वी कैन टेक सम नाइस पिक्चर्स एंड वीडियोस.
I won't wear the same.
इट्स एट 2:30. क्यों? व्हाई विल यू नॉट वेयर द सेम कलर?
Rebel.
यू आर अ रेबल. जो अभी मैंने आपको रील दिखाई थी, दैट गाय.
Yeah. मेरी टी-शर्ट पे लिखा होगा Rebel.
So we're at this local wine store, and I really wanted to try their local port wine because restaurants में मिल रही हैं, but they're really the expensive ones and the ones which are really nice. But I wanted to try something local.
Very good, called Caetani. This is no normal wine, it's very good. The fruit is right. And this wine is definition, okay? It's a little strong, 95, 20% alcohol, okay? Sweet.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a special Italian. The port wine is sweet and strong.
This is the same wine that we had underground bridge में जो थोड़ी सी
got
थी,
it.
but this is more potent. Generally wine has below 8% alcohol content. This has more. That's why you have small amounts.
Oh, that's why they give it so little.
Yes.
Got it.
Even Smriti told me this morning. I called her, so I asked her कि यहाँ पे क्या उनकी local port wine. So she told me. I thought कि वो छोटा सा दिया, कोई और drink है वो. Smriti told me that this is how they have wine because इनकी local wines are very potent. And we're also getting some local cheese to pair with the wine. Try. चाकू से try कर ले.
Yeah, this. That's it. It's good?
Nice. Very creamy.
Yeah.